Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to be attempting the chapter ratio. So let's get started. The question is 144 ratio 128. So two sevens are 14, two twos are 4. Ratio 2 6 are 12 and 2 fours are 8. So we are going to write 64. And then we are going to divide 72 with 2. So the answer would be 36. Ratio 32. 32. We are going to divide 36 with 2 again. So the answer would be 18. Ratio, we are going to divide 32 with 2. So it's going to be 16. So 2 nines are, we're going to divide 8 with 2. So it's going to be 2 nines are 18. Ratio 2 eights are 16. So the answer is 9 ratio 8. Is to another question. The question is 0.63 ratio 9. So let's write it 0.63 ratio 9. So we are going to divide 0.63 with 100. So 0.663 multiplied by 100. So the answer would be 63. And we are going to multiply 9 with 100. So the answer would be 900. So we're going to write 63 ratio 900. We did this because we needed 63 to be a whole number. To do this, we have to multiply both numbers, meaning we have to multiply 0.63 with 100, and we have to multiply 9 with 100 to remove the point in 63. And now we are going to multiply 63, divide 63 by 3. So the answer would be 21 ratio 30. Sorry, 30s. Sorry, 300. Sorry, 300. So 21 ratio 300. And now we are going to divide 21 and 300 with 3. So 3 sevens are 21 ratio 100. So I hope you like this video. I hope this is informative for you, and don't forget to subscribe and like. See you next time. Jazakallah.